You got a newer Gretsch guitar here in Georgia green. Lots of upgrades from a Kaler roller bridge to DiMarzio 30th anniversary PAF pickups. Really crazy wiring schema where I changed the capacitance so you get different levels of brightness, as well as neck, middle, bridge pickup. It has some hip shot, open mechanical locking tuners. They were a bunch of money, but the best of the best went into this, into its electronic CTS pods. I'll give you some sound samples now to a 5F4 amp with a little bit of digital reverb. Some Bee Gees. That was the neck pickup. Now the middle pickup. And the bridge pickup. It's a really gorgeous guitar. Hope it goes to a good home. Ciao.